Okay, my refrigerator stopped working. My Samsung refrigerator just totally stopped Sunday night. About 7:30, I went to the refrigerator to get some water. Dead as a doornail. When I opened it up, let's just take a look. It has been a great refrigerator. Has worked good for me. No issues. Love the thing. As you can see now, it's pretty dark in here. I just have liquids and a few. I emptied it. Um, I ended up getting out some of my Yeti coolers and my freezer stuff. Whoop. I pulled the drawer out, the freezer stuff. I emptied it. I had liked this refrigerator. I hate to tell anybody that because Samsung, I guess, does not have the greatest reputation for long lasting. This refrigerator came with the home and have just liked it. The ice maker, everything had worked fine. So what's my plan from here? So here's what I did. I took out I was lucky that I had some frozen ice packs. Let me do this. So I grabbed my Yeti coolers to put my refrigerated stuff along with ice packs. And the way I can get away with the ice packs, since we're going on day number 2. Day number 1, stuff in the refrigerator and the freezer lasted, I'm going to say 12 hours. That it was still cold and temperature was climbing, as long as I tried to minimize opening the doors. But eventually I put the refrigerator stuff in my 2 Yeti coolers. So from there, I ended up going to Home Depot, Lowe's, Sam's Club, looking at potential replacements for the refrigerator in case when the technician comes on Tuesday morning, which today is Tuesday, when the technician comes, he either repairs it or he can't repair it or it's going to cost a lot. If I'm right, I think it's the motherboard. I'll show you the back of the refrigerator, which I forgot to do. But I think it's electronics. I don't think it's a simple compressor failing or something else. I think the electronics motherboard has been shot. But back to, went to all the stores, but I also wanted to look at a garage ready freezer or refrigerator. And they make them that you can flick a button and you can be a refrigerator or a freezer. I like the idea of a freezer. One, it's going to save my frozen food, even though I didn't have a lot in there. And I looked around. Home Depot has a brand, but my wife looked it up, not very reliable. People liked the one at Costco, and that's what I got. So let me show you that. So what I got is this Hisense garage, 11 cubic feet, but it's lighted. And it just works. So right now, brought it home in my car. So I'm very happy with the Hisense. Let me show you the back of my other fridge. So this is the back of the Samsung refrigerator. You have the simple plug back here that had not popped or anything, but plugging it in, it just does a little arcing, and that told me electrical. That told me electrical. But I'm still having a service guy come this morning. I will update you on that, what he tells me that either can save it or can't save it. So that's going to happen this morning. Okay, here's the update. I hired DeSantis to come and check out the refrigerator that was dead. He got here and he was a wizard because he plugged it in and look at this. The light is on. The light is on. The temperature is coming. We're back in business. Couldn't really explain what happened except he double checked everything and said if it happens again, they'd come back out. But right now, the refrigerator is fixed. So I don't know how many times I replugged it in and it would not work. He gets here, plugs it in, compressor starts, power comes back on. That's how things go. So much for a broken refrigerator. I don't have to buy a new one yet. But I like this. He also told me he's a service tech from DeSantis, and he said this is a really good refrigerator. Better compressor than most, and has had very few problems with this refrigerator. So he said, yeah, if you go out online, there's a lot of Samsung dislikes, but there were some good models. This was one of them. So I appreciate that, and catch you in the next video.